everyone. Today first I will discuss about the projects. Okay. In the previous class I have disclosed some of your name, and today I will tell the project of others. Okay. So everyone listen carefully, and first of all wait a minute. Photosynthesis in higher plants chapter is going on, and before that today first I will discuss about the projects. Okay, so that you can write it down in your puja vacation. I will tell everyone's project of your class. Okay, I hope all of you have seen the video which I have uploaded in the first class which I have taken in the as practical class, and there I have announced the name of the students only who are in the batch 1, and now I will discuss I will tell the name of the students and who are having in your class. Ma'am, practical gulo kothay? In your school's practical page. Okay, you have to buy the practical copy and pages from your school. Only this one will be accepted. Okay, only school's page will be accepted, nothing else. So you can send your parents, and you can buy it from the front office. Okay, you will get there. So what I was saying, clear, Rohit? So what, and you have to write down the project also in another practical copy. Okay, so I hope you know the headings and pages and topics what you have to mention in your project 1. Everything is discussed in this particular video which I have uploaded. Now today I will tell the name of the students of your class. Okay, so I am repeating that project number 5. I am telling the name of the students who are having the project number 5. So name of the students are Rifa Saima, Samim Mondol, Sibaji Mitro, Srijita Chakraborty, okay, just a minute. Tamima Alam, Sohini Banik, Shitangshu Shekhar Dhar, Bhavya Saw, Pushkar Saha. They have to write the project number 5, and now I am telling you the heading of the project number 5, that is study of age related eye disorder. Project number 5 is study of age related eye disorder, and most importantly this is not a group project. Okay, you have to perform it individually. Wait, Rohit, you have to write it down individually, no group discussions. Okay, and only just is that your the name of the project is just same, nothing else. Okay, this is not a group project. Now for the project number 6, what is first I am telling you the names. Yes, Sajida and Rohit, just listen carefully. When you will get, surely you will get your name. Okay, so now project number 6. Okay, name of the students of project number 6 is Rohit Guho Roy, Sanjana Hajra Sur, Sangeeta Majhi, সুমনা বিশ্বাস, দেবস্মিতা দাস, তানবীর আহমেদ, শ্রেয়া ঘোষ, অপূর্ব শ, সাজিদা রহমান. Okay, so these are the name of the students who have to write the project number 6. Now I am telling you the name of the project. Okay, project number 6 is study the different photosynthetic pigments in different plant groups. Project number 6 is study the different photosynthetic pigments in different plant groups. Rohit and Sajida, I hope this one is your project, right? I have announced both of your name. Okay, so Rohit and Sajida, write it down. Okay, write it down. This is the project. You have to write it down following those points which I have discussed. Okay, and if you face any problem at the time of writing the project, you can ask me through your e-portal. Next, project number 7. Now, first I will announce the name of the students for project number 7. Okay, for project number 7, name of the students are Romana Aman, Sayon Bag, Sokariya Samonto, Sunirmal Mondol, Srijita Sarkar, Asnihar Parvin, MD Fazlur Rahman, Debashish Chottoraj. So they are having the project number 7. So okay, I am repeating the project number 6. Project number 6 is study the different photosynthetic pigments in different plant groups. Study the different photosynthetic pigments in different plant groups. That is the heading of your project, that is project number 6. Okay, study the different photosynthetic pigments in different plant groups. Now I have announced the name of the students who are having the project number 7, and their heading is project number 7 is comparative analysis of different excretory system. Comparative analysis of different excretory system in animal kingdom. Project number 7 is comparative analysis of different excretory system. Comparative analysis of different excretory system in animal kingdom. In animal kingdom. Okay, that is the project number 7. Now for the project number 8. First I am announcing the name of the students who are having the project number 8. For project number 8, name of the students are সাগ্নিক ঘোষ, সায়ন্তিকা ঘোষ, সৌমি দে, স্বস্তিকা যশ, পৌলমী সাহা, আভিপসা সাহু, কৃষ্ণেন্দু দত্তা, রজত মণ্ডল. Okay, and your project is evolution of plants from lower to higher groups. So now project number 8 is evolution of plants from lower to higher groups. Okay, project number 8 is evolution of plants from lower to higher groups. Okay, so I am repeating, this is not a group project, you have to write it down individually. Okay, so only I have told the name of the students who will write it down individually. Okay, so that is the project number 8. Next, project number 9. Okay, for project number 9, name of the students are Adrika Mondal, Abhirup Ghar, Rihan Bhattacharya, Sukriti Ghosh, Ritankar Ghosh, Preeti Ghosh. Sorry, mistake. Just a minute. Let me check from your section. Batch 1 completed. Batch 3 up to 8. Batch 2. Batch 2 up to 8. Okay, so from your batch only these students are there. So I have announced name of all the students. Hope all of you have got your project. Okay, let me check who are present. Bhavya, Rohit, Shantika, Shubhojit. Please let me know that you have got your project or not. Bhavya, Rohit, Shantika, Shubhojit. Shantika, I have announced your name. I can remember this one. I have. Why you are not following the class? I have announced Shantika's name, Bhavya's name. I can remember. Why you are not listening properly? Shantika Ghosh, you are having project number 8 and project number 8 is written on the board. Shantika, your project is project number 8 and project number 8 is written on the board. Clear now? Okay, Bhavya and Shantan, wait. Okay, Bhavya, just a minute. Bhavya, you are having project number 5. Yes, Sajida, right. Bhavya, wait, Subhojit, Bhavya, your project is project number 5 and wait, I am repeating the project number 5. Okay, just a minute. Project number 5 is study of age-related eye disorder. Project number 5 is study of age-related eye disorder. Clear, Bhavya? Yes, only one. Rohit? Bhavya, clear? Okay, then who has asked me? Subhojit. Okay, Subhojit, wait. Subhojit, will you tell me please your full name? Subhojit? Subhojit, will you please tell me your full name? Subhojit De. Are you new? Subhojit? New admission? Okay, wait. Subhojit De, you are having project number 16. You are having project number 16. And I have got your name in the batch number 3. That's why I didn't mention. I am telling you the what is the project is. Project number 16 is study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition in plants. Study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition of plants. project number 16 is study the effect of stress hormone in survivability in drought condition in plants. Clear, Subhajit? Okay, so students of those whose name are in the second batch, I have announced their project, and in the video also I have announced the some of the name of the some students I have announced, and in the next class I will announce the students who are in the name of the students and their project who are in the third batch. Okay, so I will suggest everyone to follow the video. Those who didn't join the class, from there you will get to know your project and start writing in this puja vacation. Okay, so thank you everyone, and happy puja everyone, and stay safe, stay at home. Okay, and if you are going out in this festive season, so wear mask. Okay, so thank you everyone, and bye bye, and happy puja again.